Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamaria Lakay, and I go by Tamaria Lakay on all of my social media handles. So whichever social media platform you enjoy the most, go ahead and follow me on there. Today we're going to be diving into some energy and messages from the tarot cards. I'm going to be rolling the dice. We have one dice with the zodiac signs, and then we have the other dice that is just numbers. So we'll use the numbers to shuffle the energy of the cards. We'll do a simple reading, 3-card reading. Nothing too dramatic over here right now. And then at the end of the reading, we'll go ahead and leave on a positive note with an affirmation card from the Mindful Collective Daily Affirmations. Right now, I am looking for the energy of Virgo and also Aries, because those are the last two zodiacs that I need to read for today. So let's just go ahead and jump into the message. Or let's find Virgo and also Aries. Where are you guys at? All right, so we got Aries. All right, I was looking for you, and I guess the message is really relatively quick. It has 1 on the dice, so we're going to go ahead and shuffle 1 time. Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration and of guidance from pure intentions and love for our Aries. All right. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the first card. All right, so Aries, we have the Fool card. The Fool card is basically signifying you're ready to start something new. You're ready to take a leap of faith into the unknown. So this is the very beginning of something that you're ready to start. Could be something completely new. It could be something that you're just inspired by and you just want to go ahead and further explore this. So the Fool card is the 0. It is the beginning of the journey throughout the deck of the tarot cards. It's the beginning of the major arcana. So this is something that's going to happen to you like almost spiritually. It's almost like a divine calling for you to start this new beginning and this new journey. So you're basically in like a youthful energy, just ready to explore the world. The energy that also resonates within this card is that as you're starting this new journey, make sure to be your truest and most authentic self. The Fool is carrying like a little bag that is pretty much a bag full of all of his experiences from journeys that he's already going on or already been through. So just be sure not to let your previous experiences hinder or control the new one that you're about to take flight on. And enjoy the journey. New journeys are always fun. So let's just go ahead and move into the energy of the second card. All right, so Aries, we have the World card. So with the World card, it's signifying that you have completed something, which makes sense. If you've already completed something and you're getting ready to start a new journey, that makes a ton of sense. So with the World card, you are in a sense of just feeling liberated. You're in a sense of just feeling free. You're in a sense of just knowing that you are infinitely connected to the universe and that there are so many possibilities for you still to explore. So this is pretty much the last card. Still, after the Fool begins to take his journey, he gets to this point to where he's completely satisfied with the path that he's taken. So this is exciting energy for you. Yeah, you could just be exploring all types of new things and experiences. So that's what we have for this particular card. All right, so Aries, let's go ahead and see what we have for your last card. All right, so for your last card, we have the Knight of Cups. This energy is just somebody that's young and somebody that's just very like romantic and flirtatious. However, the romance and flirtations that they put into any type of situation or romantic interest typically doesn't last long, because it's more of like a fantasy, a quick fantasy that they wouldn't move on with any like intentions to make it like a long-term type of situation. It's just like a dream, like living in a dream for a moment, and then eventually, you know, we wake up. So that's the energy that we have from this particular card. So let's see. Just remember that, you know, when we are in this dreamy state, of course it could be something that's romantic that's going on, but it could also just be you just developing a sense of your emotional self. And with that being said, if you are in a dreamy state and you do have something that you really want to work on, then you should definitely combine the dreamy state as well as putting some actions and starting a plan and just getting things together so that you could bring the dream into reality if that's something that you ultimately desire. But yeah, I'm here for this Fool card and this World card, the beginning and the end, Aries. The new start and reaching an ending to completion and enjoy and good health and happiness. Like, here for that. I'm here for it. So let's just go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you, Aries, and see what positive affirmation that we have for you to focus on throughout the day. All right. So the card says, my thoughts manifest my realities. I hold power. Okay, let me start over. My thoughts manifest my reality. I hold the power to choose them. My thoughts manifest my reality. I hold the power to choose them. My thoughts manifest my reality. I hold the power to choose them. And that's right. You have the power to start something new and to finish it through completion. You're already within this dream state of doing it. So take off, Aries. Take off. But that is all I have for you. If you enjoyed this message, be sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future readings. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.